Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Haven't done an unboxing in a while, and because mainly I've been buying a lot of parts, but I'm still needing a few pieces to the puzzle, and this box arrived in the mail, and I want to show you what I got in here. So, what I have in this box is some Rhodes lifters. Now, why would you need Rhodes lifters? Well, for me, it started many years ago. I had a 69 GTO with a 455. It was running a 301 313 duration camshaft, and the car was very a drivable car. I had ordered an engine actually from a gentleman named Len Williams who did performance Pontiac builds. And he says, I run these 301 313 Ram Air 4 cams, and he says normally I run these Rhodes lifters on them. Now, what these allow you to do, because they're a variable rate lifter and they bleed down, it allows you to run a larger camshaft. So, what I'm doing with my particular engine for this 57 is I'm building a 377 D-stroked 400 engine, and then because the bigger the cubic inches, a cam will have a little bit less. So I wanted something roughly in the 280 range, duration. But I actually went a little hotter. I went up to like a 292. So the 292 should work well with these Rhodes. It'll knock it down a bit, give it some the lower end should come back, and then also it gives you better vacuum. So and I'll be running power brakes on the car, so it should give you 3 inches of vacuum or so better than what now. And then that's variable. I mean, it depends on the engine, it depends on a lot of things, but this is what I'm doing. And I happen to get these on a real good deal off of Marketplace. They're like $241 at some like Summit and stuff, and these are what they call the extremes, the newer style. So but they are something that I really needed, and another piece to the puzzle. Looking forward to having this thing put together soon. Maybe over the winter I'll get the engine completely built. I got a set of forged pistons that are going in it, and some good 5.7 rods, and a good crank that I bought. So everything will be pretty much new. And with the 377, you're using a 350 crank and a 400 block, so you have to use bearing spacers. I raced one of those in my circle track cars many years ago, and man, it had more power than I could use. And it was just a good engine, so I figured I'd try to duplicate that, because I do want something with a bit of snort. It's nice to have a little extra horsepower. And that engine I had was basically what I'm going to have. The same thing. It's going to have 305 heads. I think the only thing that I won't be doing to it is putting bigger valves in, because we put bigger valves in my oval track engines. So but the head size is the same. It's still the HO 305 heads is what I'll be using. So anyhow, that's what I got going on. I just wanted to do a quick video and show you that I got these Rhodes lifters in. So take it easy.